What's up people, welcome to the 8th video of the series Know What Quora Is. In this one we're going to have a look at how do you contact Quora and few other FAQs regarding contacting Quora. Well, in case if you haven't watched the previous videos, the link is currently popping out on the annotation in the video description, and I've also added it at the end of this video so you can go ahead and check it out as per your convenience. Contacting Quora. So contacting Quora doesn't work in the normal fashion like the other social network platforms that we are aware about. Meaning, it's not like we send a message to Quora and the Quora team is going to contact you back. No, it doesn't work in that fashion. Quora works in a different fashion altogether. It's going to give you a kind of a detailed form to fill it out in order to understand what exactly went wrong with your account, why has your account been restricted from answering questions, or to simply put it up, what exactly are you doing that the Quora algorithm thinks that you're a spammer and because of which it has blocked your account. Hey everyone, my name is Mayur and I'm the creator of this channel, The Bearded Geek. Well, in case if you're new to the channel or watching my video for the first time, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon besides that. This way, I will be able to reach out to you whenever I upload a new video, and that is quite often. Without any delay, let's get started. Contacting Quora is not a difficult task. I mean, it's different than the other sites, but it is not difficult and it is definitely not rocket science, so I'm not gonna hype it up. The more important part is, see, contact तो कोई भी कर ले, contact करने के वास्ते कुछ भी tension नहीं. It's more important to understand that when are you supposed to contact Quora, why are you supposed to contact Quora, and does contacting Quora actually helps? या हम लोग सिर्फ like are we just playing a flute in front of the rock or something like that? So I want to answer these questions before showing you how do you contact Quora on the mobile phone. That brings me to the first and very commonly asked question: when should I contact Quora? You need to contact Quora at the very initial stage of your account, whenever you have signed up, when you don't have a lot of content views, when you haven't answered a lot of questions, when you don't have a following. Basically, when you don't have the presence on the platform is when you would require to contact Quora. And that is gonna be for sure, because Quora algorithm is going to block you for sure. You can't just help it out. It's the Quora algorithm. It is designed in a manner where whenever a new user signs up and we think that we will just go ahead and answer a lot of questions and we will get like a lot of content views in a single day, but it doesn't happen that way. There are many reasons because of which Quora is going to block your account. Just to give you few examples, it might be from as simple as like you have answered a lot of questions in one single day, to you have added a lot of links in your Quora answer, to you have not answered the answer in a particular format that is required by Quora. So there are many ways because of which Quora can block your account, and it's gonna do that for sure. From the personal experience, I can say my account has been blocked some 5-6 times, and I got in touch with Quora. Thankfully my plea was relevant, so they accepted it and they unblocked my account. So that answers my second question: does contacting Quora help? Yes, contacting Quora definitely helps, but it also depends upon if your plea is relevant, if you are making sense to their team. Only then it's gonna help. Otherwise, तुम लोग ऐसा कुछ भी डालेगा and then you contact Quora and say that listen, you have blocked my account. It's not gonna function that way. So yeah, contacting Quora definitely helps. The third question I have is why you should contact Quora. You should contact Quora because generally when our account gets blocked due to XYZ reasons, it's going to be blocked for a time span of 14 days. And when you contact Quora, you get in touch with them, they find it relevant, they are going to unblock your account within just a time span of 1 or 2 days. So that is really helpful. And keeping that, why you should contact Quora, because you can't even keep Quora as a platform out of your marketing plan because of the enormous reach Quora has and the enormous traffic, the organic traffic that we get from Quora. You can't just ignore Quora as a platform. So that's why you should contact Quora, because it is going to help you and it's gonna get your account unblocked within 1 or 2 days compared to the 14 days blockage period. Anyway, so these were the 3 questions so I wanted to answer, and I just felt that it would be more important because हम लोग contact करने के लिए तो कर लेगा यार. Contact करना is not a big deal, but basics ही correct नहीं है तो फिर what is the point? Anyway, so let's get started with the mobile screen. I'm going to show you how do you contact Quora finally. So here we are on the mobile screen. I'm just gonna go to Quora, PQRST, Quora. The moment you go on Quora, just click on this profile picture of yours. In that, you're gonna see a नीचे जो ये 3 dots. Just click on these 3 dots and click on help. Now the moment you click on help, it's gonna land you on this FAQs page for Quora, or this general things that users get. Over here in the footer, just scroll ekdam bottom mein, ekdam nichu, and then over here you see this contact us thing. Click on this contact us button. After that, it's going to ask you to submit a particular request. So the moment when your account gets blocked, it's going to show you in this notifications over here that some of whatever, any of your answer has got blocked or something like that, and it will give you a way to contact Quora if your answer is blocked. Right now this answer is not blocked, and thankfully it has not happened with me since a long time, but however, so that's how you will get that request, or else you can go on this profile thing that I spoke and you can contact Quora. So now when you want to submit a request, you just need to select it as per what you need. I need help with my account, I need help with my space, I want to appeal a moderation decision is what we will have to click on that. Then you fill out your email address, then you fill select the reason, unverified, ban or edit block, or moderated question, flag. It also, by the way, it also can block you for a particular question which the Quora algorithm doesn't think it is as per their policies. So it's just very common to get blocked on Quora. It has happened to a lot of creators, like as small as me and as big as the daddy of the digital marketing part, that is Neil Patel. If you check out his videos, you'll get to know how many times Neil has got blocked as well. So yeah, I mean, you just fill out the subject thing that whatever, my account got blocked or stuff like that. Just explain them the description, write your full name. This thing is very important. You need to fill your Quora profile link. It is just going to help you to get a response from Quora quickly than the usual part, because they will get to visit your link and your account, and then you can take a screenshot of whatever the query you have and you can add this thing and just submit. Matlab that it is that easy. The only reason I spoke the FAQs before this was, अगर तुम लोग का basics correct नहीं है भाई, तो you cannot build an empire on that. Being said that, I think that's the end of this particular video. If you like this video, guys, please hit the like button. This way you are going to help my channel to reach more and more audience. And if you have still not subscribed to the channel, please, what are you waiting for? Just subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon besides that. I will be back with another video for you guys. Till then, keep watching my channel and keep geeking. Just a last thing, please go ahead and say a hi on social media. The links are in the video description. Thank you.